Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching Cloudy Rado. And in this video, we will discuss about how to read and write data using Panda. So Panda is a very powerful library in Python for data manipulation and analysis. With Panda, we can easily read and write data in various formats such as CSV, Excel, SQL database, and many more. So let's dive into the topic and see how we can do this using Panda. So the first step includes importing necessary libraries. So I will take another file. So we'll take another file and I will name it Pro 5. Okay, Pro 5. I think it is already available. Okay, got it. So it is already available. So we'll take it Pro 6 and here we go. So first of all, to use the Panda, we first need to import it along with the NumPy. NumPy is used to perform mathematical operations on array. So I will import the libraries, import Pandas as PD and import NumPy as NP, right? And the second step includes reading data. To read the data from a file, we can use the read CSV function, or we can pass the file path as a parameter to this function. So for this tutorial, I created some dummy files which we will use for this tutorial. So here I have these two dummy files. So this is data.csv and data.xlsx. So both the files contain the same types of data. So here you can see the data. What would it have? To read the data from file, we can use read CSV function. So to do so, write data equals to pd dot read underscore CSV, and here I am going to give the path of my file. So my file is at home slash desktop slash 1 minute. Instead I will copy the path of this to save the time. So here we go. Okay, so here we have our path and here is our file name, that is data.csv. Now we need to read this data, or we need to print this data, so we can write df here and just run the file. Oh, sorry, to write data. So here you can see the data. Okay, so whatever the data inside this data.csv is displayed here. So we can also read data from other file formats such as Excel or SQL database using read Excel and read SQL functional respectively. But right now I don't have SQL setup, so I can't show you. But okay, I can show you how to read the data from the Excel file. So to do so, we need to write data equals to pd dot read, and here we can write read Excel. Okay, so we will write read Excel, and here we need to pass the file name. So here I am going to give the file name as the same thing. I will copy and paste and then change the extension. So here I have XLSX, and here I will show the okay. So here we can run this data. So right now it is reading a file okay, it is reading an Excel file. So using this method also, we can read the data. Now we can even display the data. We can display the entire data using the print function, or display the first few rows using the head function, and we already covered this thing. In the same way, we can write the data into the file. So to write the data, we need to write, for example, right now we have two files, okay, data.csv and data.xlsx, right? Now I want to create one file, and okay, I want to generate one file. Okay, so how to do so? To do so, we need to write data dot, we already have data, we already have data in this data object, right? So I will write data dot to CSV. So I want to create one CSV file, and here I can paste the name of the file. Okay, so here I will write new data file. Okay, so new data dot CSV, and we will see how we can generate this data. Okay, so here, as soon as I will run this code, then here we can see the new data file is generated. And if you read this file, you will get the same data what we have inside the data object, right? And we can also do the same thing with the help of you can do the same thing to SQL file also, right? So the conclusion of this video is, we have learned how to read and write data using Panda. We can use this function to import and export data from various sources, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.